Nature and movement categories. Kshipra or Laghu, swift. This category of nakshatras signifies quickness, lightness, and agility in nature and movement, characterized by activities requiring speed, spontaneity, and swift results. Nakshatras included Ashwini, Pushya, Asta. Ideal for undertaking short-term tasks involving rapid decisions, communication, light-hearted activities, short travels, negotiations, emergency actions, quick learning, trade, daily chores, and other activities needing prompt execution or fast results and gains. Love what you see? Follow, like, comment, and share. It fuels the next drop.